Elon Musk wants to build actual factories on the moon, but there is no air, no water, and the dust literally melts machinery. So why is he betting billions that this is going to happen anyway? There is one detail almost nobody talks about. In 2024, SpaceX told NASA that their Starship rocket could do way more than just land on the moon. Elon Musk says the goal is a permanent human base, complete with manufacturing plants, solar farms, and mining setups. To make this work, SpaceX plans to ship heavy equipment to the lunar surface using massive rockets that can fly again and again. It sounds like pure science fiction, but the engineers are already building the landing gear. Does it actually make sense to build heavy machinery on a giant rock in space? The part that doesn't fit is the dirt. If you drop a piece of steel on Earth, it just sits there. But lunar dust is made of tiny, razor-sharp glass pieces that destroy metal joints in days. So how do you run a factory when the ground itself wants to grind your machines to dust? Scientists believe the answer lies in local materials. Instead of flying heavy bricks from Earth, SpaceX wants to melt the lunar soil using concentrated sunlight or lasers. They can turn that sharp dust into solid concrete buildings, roads, and landing pads. They also plan to mine water ice hidden deep inside dark craters at the moon's south pole. They will split that water into hydrogen and oxygen to make rocket fuel right on the spot. What happens if the ice isn't as easy to reach as we think? Then the whole plan gets much harder, because hauling fuel from Earth costs a fortune. But that is not even the strange part. The real tension is not just about the technical engineering. It is about who gets there first and sets the rules. NASA has their Artemis program, but China and Russia are also building their own shared moon base right at the exact same time. The best spots on the moon, the places with continuous sunlight for solar power and deep ice for fuel, are extremely small. If SpaceX starts building giant factories first, who actually owns the ground underneath them? This is no longer a simple science experiment. It is a full race for the industrial future of humanity. If we turn the moon into a massive industrial hub, we could build giant space stations and deep space probes directly in orbit without polluting Earth's atmosphere. But it also means the quiet, untouched white circle we see in the night sky might soon be covered in glowing lights, heavy machines, and smoke-free industrial smokestacks. If you looked up at night and saw factory lights shining back at you from the moon, would you feel excited or deeply uneasy? That same glass dust that wrecks the machines might be the exact thing we use to build our new home in space. Would you ever agree to live and work in a moon factory for a year if it meant leaving Earth behind? If this changed how you look up at the night sky even a little, save this and follow.